In this video, I want to show you how to georeference a topo map in ArcGIS. Here is a typical example of a topo map. A topographic map displays detailed terrain features, including elevations, contours, and landforms. It helps users understand the landscape, navigate hiking trails, and analyze geographic areas for various activities and planning. To georeference a topographic map, here is the trick. At least you need foreground control points. In this case, we are going to take the four edges of the topo map as our ground control points. Write out the coordinates of those edges to be used as our ground control points. You can zoom in your map and pan to those four edges to copy the coordinates accurately. You can choose the points clockwisely or anti-clockwisely, but make sure whichever direction you choose is sequential. After copying the coordinates of those points, you need to convert the coordinate to decimal degree. A video that shows how to convert coordinates to decimal degree is in the description box of this video. You can watch it to know how to do the conversion perfectly. After the conversion, open your ArcGIS and bring in your topo map. Locate your topo map, select it and click on Add. It will take few seconds to create pyramid for the map. This is very necessary so that the map can be displayed effortlessly. Click on OK. And here is our topo map. You can see from here that the map is not yet georeferenced. To georeference the map, make sure that your georeferencing tool is enabled. Otherwise, right-click here, come to Georeferencing and check it. To start georeferencing, take this icon to add ground control points. Recall the coordinates of our ground control points, which are these. Zoom into the first point to add the X and Y. Click at the intersection of the grid, then right-click and click on Add X and Y. Input the value of X here, and input the value of Y here as well. Then click on OK. You will notice that the map disappeared. This is because one ground control point is not sufficient to georeference a map. Right-click and click on Zoom to Layer to restore the map. You can see that the first point has been captured. Zoom into the second point to add the ground control point. Click at the intersection of the grid, then right-click and add the values of X and Y. Then click on OK. You notice that the map also disappeared. This is because two ground control points are not sufficient to georeference a map. So, right-click the layer, and zoom to Layer to restore the map. The second point has been captured as well. Zoom into the third point to input its coordinate. Click at the intersection of the grid, then right-click and add the values of X and Y. Click on OK. At this point you notice that the map did not disappear. This is why some analysts believe that 3 ground control points are enough to georeference a map. But from experience, I will say, you need minimum of 4 ground control points to accurately georeference a map. Right-click and zoom the map to layer. Zoom into the fourth point to add its coordinate. Click at the intersection of the grid, then right-click and add the values of X and Y. Then click on OK. Zoom the map to layer. As you can see, all the foreground control points have been captured, just as we picked them initially. To finalize the process of georeferencing, come here to Georeferencing. Click on the drop-down, and click on Update Georeferencing. All the points disappeared, and our map is now georeferenced. If you want to check or make any edit, you can open the link table from here. You can see all the ground control points we used to georeference the map. In case of any edit, you can do it here. Also, you can see the transformation method here. I use the first-order polynomial. If you click on the drop-down, you can see other methods available. In case you edit the table, close it, then come back to Georeferencing and click on Update Georeferencing. The map will be updated accordingly. This is how to georeference a topo map in ArcGIS. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.